The i7100 industrial label printer is Brady's high-volume workhorse with unmatched precision and the widest range of available materials. Enjoy the best of both worlds with quality and speed, up to 600 dpi at up to 11.8 inches per second. Its ingenious design allows the printer to function in compact spaces. The i7100's high-volume printing power is designed for a production line environment capable of printing thousands of labels each day, every day. Print on labels as small as 1/8 inch wide with precision, and up to 4 inches wide using thin film print heads that produce sharp print at even tiny font sizes. Interchangeable print rollers help reduce print head wear, extending the life of the print head and ensuring maintained print quality. A color touchscreen interface allows you to change settings quickly and easily, as well as view onboard instructional videos. The i7100 is highly connectable. Meet your workflow and data flow needs with its highly efficient CPU, generous processing memory, and ample connection ports and options. The i7100 has the widest range of standard materials in addition to specialty materials and unique, difficult-to-print-on materials including high-performance cable tags, raised panel push-button labels, and more. A full spec sheet is available on Brady's website. Get high-volume, high-speed, precision printing with the BradyPrinter i7100 industrial label printer.